ka-tribe, as a recap ng ating mga tools na gagamitin, ano? Itong vinyl pipe cutter na to, at we have also this half-inch, ano, schedule 40 na pipe, ano, pang plumbing. Itong pang drill, no? Na lahat ng ito ay binili ko lang sa Amazon, ano? Starrett, no? And once again, hindi ito sponsored. Itong Starrett na to, half-inch din siya. Ito yung ginamit natin dito sa 32 gallons na bucket, ano? Na gawa ng Rubbermaid. And itong 45 135 angle, no? And of course we have T, no? Tatlong T ito. Okay? Yung end cap, mayroon tayong end cap. Nandito na. Kinabit ko na rito. Itong aerator na to, no? Na naipakita ko na rin sa inyo to, 70 liter, no? Oregon University na ginamit din ng isang vlogger, Plant Abundance, no? So yeah, and of course this strainer, no? Doon ko na rin binili sa Amazon din ito. And so yeah, simple natin. Tara, simple muna. Okay, let's begin. Okay, dinisa-simple ko lang ito para madaling linisan, ano? So actually yan, dati na itong makikita ninyo na kinat ko na to dati, no? Over there. Alright. And then this. Okay. On top is this one. Okay. Over there. Okay. So it's good to know, you know. And of course we have one more pipe running over there. Okay. So if we will put this one in here, okay, just like that. Okay. Perfect, no? Yeah, just like that. Only the position of the holes, because the holes need to be directed on top, so that when the aerator will blow air, it will push the water that will create bubbles, you know, to excite the microbes. Alright, so we are done with that. Okay, next thing to do is to open this one. Okay, I bought this from Amazon also. Oh yeah, the kelp is there. Worm soil builder earthworm casting, organic fertilizer. The kelp is $25.11 Canadian, but it has shipping cost of $12.66 and tax, so total $39.66. And Anco Industries Wiggle Worm Soil Builder Earthworm, almost $30. Okay, and that is 15 pounds. The shipping total is a little bit high, $32.61. So yeah, I hope I had my vermicompost pile ready by the time, but I'm so eager to do this compost tea because I want to have my lettuces here, if you could see, you know, there, be fertilized with organic. So this is organic. All right, so let's open. Yeah, okay. So this is the kelp by Boss Doctor. Kelp me help you. Yeah, okay. Let me help you, right? Kelp me help you. Seaweed plant food. So it's 0.50, 0.5 NPK. All right. So let's put that over there. And this is the pure worm casting. Wow. Yes. 100 all natural. It's actually made in USA by Wiggle Worm Soil Builder. I don't know if that's the company. Let me see. Well guys, this is not a sponsored one, but I just want to let you know. Okay. All right. So let's get ready. Why are you so playful? Huh? Stop there. Wait, baby. Look at you. Oh, makulit ito eh. Makulit siya. Talagang ki-espere nito. She will keep on licking my hands, my feet. So for me, not to allow her to lick my feet, my arms, kailangan I have to massage her. Himas-himasin ko siya. Gustong-gusto niya ang ganyan. Look at that. Buhatin ko siya. Enough. We'll play later on. Papa is still busy. Okay? Okay? Guys, I found a cup here and I measured, okay, the 10 tablespoon of liquid. That's up to there. You could see there, over there. So it doesn't harm whether I put up to that line over there or in between. So because that's organic, the more you put the better. All right, so we know now. We're ready. Okay. And also I have calculated how many gallons of water, into that container. Since that container is around 32 gallons, but I have to go down by 4 inches, okay? And the diameter is 20 inches or 50.8 centimeter. So I calculated that in both, okay? I converted that into feet over there. We know that volume is area of that times the height, and area is pi r squared times height. So we know that 20 inches, divide that into 12 and divide that by 2 into square times 2 pi, and the height divide by 12. That could give you say 0.73 cubic feet or 5.5 gallons roughly. And this is in feet and this is in centimeter, So this likewise I checked, okay, it's something like 20,592 cubic centimeter or roughly 20.6 liters or 5.5 gallons. So the capacity 32 divided by 5.5 will give you 26.5. So it could be 26 or 25, I will leave some space, And we could use 2 cups of worm casting for every 5 gallons, So if we'll be using 25 gallons of water, divide by 5 times 2, that is 2 cups per 5 gallons. So we have 10 cups of worm casting. And for molasses and kelp, we have 2 tablespoons per 5 gallon of water. So 25 divided by 5 times 2, so 10 tablespoons of molasses and 10 tablespoons of kelp. Right. So that's good. Okay, let's do this. Organic molasses, unsulfured, Yeah, that's the recommendation. It should be unsulfured. Okay, and we have this ascorbic acid here, but we'll not use that since I have plenty of rainwater. Okay, and this is the kelp. And this is the super tough strainer. Okay, so let's open this one. There are 3 packs of strainer. I don't know how big is this. Oh, not so big, but I think that will do the trick. Okay. I wish I have bought a bigger one. And this, I'm not even sure if it could fit in 10 cups of worm casting. Maybe not. Anyhow, aerator, yes. So let me see if I could find a string. I have some string. Guys, this strainer is too small. Okay. My lab found this one being used by our daughter. Okay, I'll use this because this could fit 10 cups of this worm casting. So this around 4 cups. Okay, most likely that's about 4.5 or 5, almost 5 cups. No? So I'll scoop 2 of this. What's up, guys? Today we will check our compost tea aerator. You know, we'll see how it looks. Look at that, huh? This is more than 24 hours now. Actually, we have switched it off last night and we just switched it on again because I want the microbes to activate, you know, and grow more, you know, before we will use in watering our squash, you know. As you could see, I want this squash, this fruit, you know, to absorb some vitamins and minerals on that compost tea. We have plenty of fruits in here. You could see, you know. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you see that? A lot of fruits over there. Okay. So while still there's time before fall, even though it looks like fall now in here, as it gets cold at night, as you could see, some of the leaves are actually withering, you know, because of the cold. So yeah, we'll take advantage of the good weather while there's still time. And today we will use this compost tea, you know, to brew. So that's the aerator there. Okay, I decided just to put this up in here close to this squash, and we'll just use a sprinkler to water the plants.